How to fix the issue of microphone not working on Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of microphone not working on your Android device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly we will head toward the setting of a particular app in which the microphone is not working. For example, I'm taking WhatsApp here. Tap and hold on it and click on App Info. Then go to App Permission and click on Microphone. Make sure the permission of microphone is allowed to the application in which you are having problem with microphone. After that, once the permission has been allowed, if the issue of microphone is still not solved, you are suggested to restart your device and also clean the mic area of your mobile device. And that's it. Just by following this simple step, you will be able to fix the issue with microphone on your Android device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial.